So when you guys see this error message in your Honda Clarity when you start the car, that means the keyless entry remote, the battery is really low. So it is about time to replace the battery in this keyless remote. And I will show you guys in this video how to replace it very easily and quickly.
So now we're inside the home. This is pretty much all you need. Of course, take it off your keychain, have the remote ready. You need a actually flathead screwdriver. And again, mine is multi-purpose, so I can just switch around to get flathead. And you need some CR2032 batteries for Honda remotes. Okay, so next thing, all you have to do is just take the backup key out by pressing this little knob. When you press it, you can take the key out. That's for your trunk, by the way. And now it's pretty much exposed. If you look inside, there is an area over here that's kind of raised. And that's where you're gonna use a flathead in the raised area, and you just pretty much gonna pop it, and it will open magically. And you can pop it a little more on the side. There you go. So which exposes the battery. Okay, so the battery now is fully exposed. Oh, it looks like I almost pretty much just took everything out. Now might be a good time to clean it, but I'm looking at the tabs over here. Like, what I really don't want to do is actually damage those tabs. So I need to find out a way to actually get the battery out without getting those tabs damaged. It looks like those two tabs are pretty small, so I can probably pry from this area, use my hand to get it out. Okay, those two tabs don't pry over here because those tabs are actually longer. You might damage the battery and the remote. So next, we're just gonna take a brand new CR2032 button battery. Let's see. All right, so we took the battery out, and it's pretty much just plug and play. So remember, the plus side is facing up, so now we just gotta put the plus side facing up and put it in here. It already, had a red light. We're gonna put all the covers back. Okay, it's really not that hard. If it fall off when you took it out, just put everything back. All right, now just very gently put the rubber piece and your whole assembly carefully in there. Push it in. Make sure the button is pressing nicely. I'm gonna try to lock my car, and my car beeped, so it's working perfectly fine. The red indicator light is also working, so that means it's working perfectly fine. Very last step, snap those two pieces back in, and I would start snapping from the side that doesn't have this protruding thing. Align it over here, and we're gonna snap it in from the other side, and it's done. So last thing is, don't forget to put your backup key in here, and that's how you change the Honda Clarity remote keyless entry keys. All right, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I should have more similar car maintenance videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and take care.